How to enable game mode on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to activate game mode for better gaming performance on your Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Following that, look for Game Launcher or Game Mode in the list. Now, tap on Game Launcher to access gaming settings. You'll see the Game Launcher options displayed. Moving forward, look for the toggle next to Game Mode. Tap on it to enable Game Mode. Afterwards, Game Mode will automatically activate whenever you open a game. This blocks notifications and optimizes your device performance for gaming. You can also customize Game Mode settings from here. Tap on the gear icon or Settings to access advanced options. Look for Block Notifications and make sure it's turned on. This prevents any interruptions while you're playing. Additionally, you can enable Performance Mode for maximum speed. Tap on Performance Mode and select High Performance. Your device will now prioritize your game over other background apps. Once Game Mode is enabled, simply open any game on your device. Game Mode will kick in automatically and optimize your gaming experience. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you enable Game Mode on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.